In this video, we are going to compare 4 different sports brands t-shirts. Now, these will not be performance t-shirts but rather for the comfort purposes, particularly for sleep. All of these are of cotton fabric. Out of the 4, the Reebok is the cheapest and Nike the most expensive one. As you can see, all 4 of them are medium sized, but all their sizes are somewhat different. As you can see, the Adidas and Reebok are fairly large and wide t-shirts, while the Nike is the smallest of them all. Only the Puma one has V-shaped neck, while the other 3 are circular. When you are choosing t-shirt for the purpose of sleep, you want minimum designs, limited printed fabrics, and wider room for arms to make you feel comfortable. So I'm just going to give you a closer look and then I will wear each of these one by one.